Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn and in today's video I'm going to show how to shop on Amazon from Canada and get free shipping. To do so, first of all open your Amazon app. Now sign into your account either using your number or email. Now click to proceed and provide your information. Now after providing your details, click on verify email. Now after signing in, while setting the delivery address, now provide a delivery address to Canada. Now to set your delivery address to Canada, you shall fill in all the questions asked to you by Amazon. Now search for free shipping items, and here you can click on shipping options and click on free shipping. Now it will show you products which can be free shipped to your country. Some items qualify for free international shipping depending on the seller. Check shipping details before placing your order. And that's it. Now you can shop on Amazon with free shipping options from Canada. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.